Thank you so much for tuning in to the Immaculate Heart of Mary School construction update. Last time you checked in, I was showing you how the trusses were connected to the roof structure. Since then, we've made some progress and a lot of progress on the trusses, on the plywood. In preparation for the shingles and the skylights, we did the soffits and the fascia, preparing all the framing for those. For when the fascia comes, we can fasten it to the building. But the shingles were put on and the skylights were also put on. We've also worked on the gable ends, plywooding, and framing the interior walls for the first and second floor. So we'll also be working on the back porches. It'll be like a farmer's porch, facing the view. It'll be a great spot to sit and enjoy God's creation. Welcome to the second floor where the four classrooms will be. So right now we finished the interior walls for the classrooms and closets. So we have a lobby here, and then we have down the hallway, we have classroom on the left, first class, number 2 classroom on the right, and then classroom 3 and 4 on the view side of the building. Once again, thank you so much for all your prayers, and thank you so much for all the donations that have got us this far in the project. Still have a long way to go, but with your prayers and support and Our Lady's blessings, we will get this finished.